A leader rare, a guiding flame, Patel gave unity its name. On this day, with hearts so bright, we salute his soul, his guiding light. He stood like iron, brave and tall, united a nation, once divided and small. Many states, but one great land. Patel shaped India with a steady hand. Where faiths and tongues made walls so wide, he built a bridge of national pride. His courage strong, his vision clear, made one India bold and dear. O Iron Man, your spirit stays in India's heart, forever it sways. With one strong voice, the nation sings, unity forever under your wings. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.